let's give this, we're going to call it RSS to Pocket. Press done. You can add this command to Siri if you like as well, or to the home screen, wherever you want. You can set the color. Set the logo. Press done. Now you're done. To test this, you can test it bit by bit if you want to do it like that, or you can press play at the top here to run through it. Let's press play. We're going to want HubSpot, goes through your flow, goes to the RSS feeds, select the articles, press done, add to Pocket. There you go. I was wondering if it was going to finish then. Cool. So that ran as we'd expect. Showed the notification, shows a preview of the articles saved down below. If we press done now, we can see the shortcut is now in our library of shortcuts, RSS to Pocket. And if we go to Pocket, hopefully we should see those 3 blog posts from HubSpot. Click for it to update. And there we go. 3 posts saved to Pocket from a couple of taps using shortcuts. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you've got any other questions or would like me to create any shortcuts which you'd like to see, send me a message. Happy to help. Enjoy.